Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Navy Federal Credit Union member and your card keeps getting declined, you're not alone. This is a frustrating issue, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through simple, effective steps to get your card up and running again. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to resolve it quickly. Let's dive in. First, start with the basics. Check your account balance through the Navy Federal app or website. Sometimes, a decline happens because of insufficient funds or a recent transaction putting you over your limit. If everything looks good there, move on to step 2. Verify your card details. Ensure the card isn't expired, damaged, or that you're entering the correct PIN. A simple mismatch can cause declines, especially at ATMs or online. Next, look for any security holds or fraud alerts. Navy Federal is big on security, so if there's suspicious activity, they might have frozen your card. Log into your account and check for any alerts, or call their customer service at 1-888-842-6328 to confirm. Speaking of which, contacting support is often the fastest fix. They can check for issues on their end, like system glitches or account restrictions, and guide you through resetting your card if needed. If you're using the card for international transactions, make sure it's enabled for that. Navy Federal cards might require you to notify them in advance for overseas use. Also, keep your app and device updated. Outdated software can lead to connection problems. Once you've gone through these steps, test your card again. If it still doesn't work, it might be worth visiting a branch for in-person help. Remember, persistence is key. There you have it. A straightforward guide to fixing your Navy Federal card declines in 2025. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.